or this place, how I came.
Yeah.
I'm from small town boy from India, from rural place, rural village. Hey, hello Christian, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so this is Christian, myself, JJ. What is the topic?
Topic.
Yeah.
So you mentioned many things where you got kidnapped, where
Yeah.
you quit the marine
Yeah,
and been a failure and turn everything
yeah,
into where you have your own business, able to travel.
yeah.
But
This is
what I
my
want-
life journey. Hey G team, if you are still watching our video, my name is JJ and I'm founder of a Seagrett service. We are a community of providing consultant service to business owner, investor, entrepreneur to achieve their goal. We work to make it real, this time to make your dream, and let's start with the first step. And what is the first step? You know what? It's the first step is dream. Start dreaming. When you dream, then only you want to or you'll try to achieve it, right? So the first step is dreaming. Before starting this video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, or to get motivational or entrepreneurship video. To do this, just click on red subscribe button. Thank you, and I hope you all already subscribe our channel. So let's start this video. What is the topic?
Topic.
Yeah.
So you mentioned many things where you got kidnapped, where
Yeah.
you quit the marine
Yeah,
and been a failure and turn everything
yeah,
into where you have your own business, able to travel.
yeah.
But
This is my life journey. We are working together, so you know many things. But
Yeah.
this is not a time to tell everything at the
Exactly.
moment. But we can gonna start, guys. If
Yeah.
someone say money doesn't matter, send it to me. Send it to this paradise.
And give them a big slap.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
let's go over you talked about the dreaming.
No. So my point is, my thought, how it's, you ask me, right? How
Yeah.
I came to this certain level, this place, how I came.
Yeah.
I'm from small town boy from India, from rural place, rural village. So people are thinking how I came to this level, right?
Yeah.
So because of my mindset, I never think about the money for expenses,
Yeah.
I never think about to expense. I always think about to making money.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in this life, money is matter. Yeah, in this world, money is matter. Even until die, you need food, you need water. Everywhere, money matter.
Exactly.
So if someone say money doesn't matter, send it to me. I'll make a slap on his ass. I'll ask him how it's not matter and give the happiness to the people. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the video about the first step of successful mindset. Today we are going to make a video about successful mindset. What is the first step of successful mindset? What do you think? What is the first step of successful mindset? I'm not talking about the successful person. First you need to make a mindset, then only become successful, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
You need to have a hunger. You need
Hunger, that's only?
Not only hunger, but that's the first thing you need.
Yeah?
Because if you're like not hungry or just gonna watch TV and don't do anything,
Yeah.
you won't become anything, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So you need that hunger. I want to become something else,
Yeah.
and I need to do something so I can.
So this is
become
how our client or our person, subscriber, viewer want to know. Our G team
that. Yeah.
want to know how hunger came, and what is the first step to make this hunger, right? So how its hunger came? When you will dream something, right?
Hmm.
When you will dream something, then it's come hunger to you, right?
No.
Why?
We're driven of different thing. We're pain driven. Pain is a big driver. Like you see the ones who got dumped and they turned it into a player. They didn't want to be a player,
Yeah.
but they went because the pain of the breakup.
Mm-hmm.
So pain is
Yeah.
a big motivation. If
Yeah.
you're like, my life sucks. I don't have cash,
Yeah.
so I can travel. My
Yeah.
life sucks.
Yeah.
There is pain,
Yeah.
and that moves people forward. My life
Pain make
sucks,
you.
I wanna do it.
So what do you mean? Pain give you something? Pain.
It makes you drive forward.
Ah.
Because humans, they're like super lazy, right? They
But
want,
some people after pain they think like they lose everything and they got demotivated also.
because they
In
have a
100, yeah, this in the 100, I think 10% people is not lose their hope, but 90% people lose their hope and yeah,
because they have a bad mindset.
yeah, this is what we have to change it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to change it, and this is the successful mindset is only the top G team. It's our top G team. Yeah.
Okay.
So-
So thanks for watching.
Thanks.
And click that like and subscribes. And I better see you next time. Take care. Peace.